Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DNR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, the downtrend on this one continues, and I mean, if you just kind of look at the overall landscape of things over the past, basically since the beginning of the year, I mean, there was some nice upwards movement here, but then when the price finally rolled back over, it's been all bearish since that point. So let's get some things mapped out here as we head into the weekend. So the first level of support is nothing fancy or complicated behind it at all, other than the fact of the price finally stopped going up, or stopped bleeding and going down today, right there at the round number of $1. So $1, not shocking at all. It's kind of a psychological level. But it's also one of those areas where if the price falls below it, then of course it's not impossible to get back above $1, but it can really get pretty tricky because then it's officially, a penny stock. Whereas right now you could say, well, yeah, it's already a penny stock, depending on some definitions. But, if it goes below $1, then any definition would definitely put it at penny stock status. So like I said, just from kind of the almost stigma and, just the psychological part of the dollar, good to see that the price did bounce off that area, but certainly going to be a very important level going forward, not only from the technical point of view, but like I said, just from just the kind of perception point of view also. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, keep an eye on that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, currently valued at $1.07, and that'll be the level that, again, we'll just squeeze things down just to see how ever since the price broke below it right there, at that point, and that's just based off a foundational rule in charting. When levels of support are broken and close below, they tend to act as resistance. And since that point, I mean, really hasn't even been threatened. It got threatened a couple times immediately right there, and of course rejected the price down. But after that, I mean, the price hasn't even really gotten that close to it. But to give some credit where credit's due, today at least the price has gone sideways a little bit. Now, of course, it started off going down, but then went sideways. So we'll see if this is some sort of early indicator of maybe a bottom and some kind of bounce occurring next week. But only time will tell, so let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.